All right, stock ticker symbol AERO, $2.65 right now. The last time that we've looked at this one was going to be on, looks like January 21st at $3.09. I said it just needs more buying pressure. Zooming out here, trying to get a better idea where we were at that time. It looks to be right here. You guys came up to that 10-day simple moving average. Long story short, came up to that 10-day simple moving average, pushed through there, and just couldn't hold it up to the 30 and pushed you down. That 10-day is such a pivotal move for this one. You guys started having that rally up, got up to that upper Bollinger Band. Really nice setup right here, and then ended up pulling back down right here. Again, this is going to be one of those ones that comes back down to the almighty buying pressure. If you don't have the buying pressure, you don't have nothing, in my personal opinion, especially with these stocks, trading on light volume right here. You guys came down that bottom around the 230 mark. Okay, it's going to be up and down right around that area. But again, you came down to it, bounced off of it, and came up to the 30-day simple moving average. Again, the 30-day simple moving average is going to be a pivotal role with this one. We've talked about it before. The 30-day simple moving average with this one. Look at that, shooting straight across that line at $2.65. It's going to probably be your line right here. If this does not hold, it will fall apart and more than likely bring you back down to the $2.30 mark, which we currently see down there at the bottom. What we're going to be watching for is going to be that buying pressure to continue to pick back up and get you guys through. The 20-day simple moving average, in my opinion, isn't going to be as tough to get through as a 10-day, because looking at this, it seems like the 10-day plays more of a bigger role than the 30, which is odd, but you don't see that too often, and we do see it here. And that being said, your next one's going to be around that $3 mark. So that $2.65 is going to be that do or die, in my personal opinion. If that gives away, you will go back down to 230 fairly quick, in my opinion. So that's what we're going to be watching for with AERO. We'll see if Joe has anything else to add.
When was the last time I went over this with you?
It looks like in January.
All right, cool. So these guys, they had their on February 13th, they had their third quarter ended December 31st, 2016. So their third quarter sales were up 11% to 13.2 million, and the year-to-date sales were up 21% to 17.6 million. Strong sales in online and retail channels, high level of sell-through. Third quarter operating income was 620,000. Year-to-date improvement was a 42%. All right, so the fourth quarter, the company recorded total net revenue of 13.2 million, up from 11.9 million the prior year. Adjusted EBITDA was 1.48 million, down from 1.65 million, primarily due to increased advertising spending to further build the brand. For the 9 months ended December 31st, sales rose 21% to 17.6 million from 14.5 million in the previous year. And the adjusted stands at 679,000 plus 470% versus 122,000 in the year prior. So that was pretty good. So the comment from the CEO, it says, "I'm very pleased to report on our 2016 holiday selling season. Overall, the best in our company's history," said President and CEO Michael Wolf. "Our focus this year was to continue the growth in our highly successful online channels and to establish in-store success with prominent national retailers. The results were exceptional as well. We experienced a 49% sell-through growth at Amazon.com and 101% at Amazon.ca. We also had good results with our other online retailers, including a very successful launch at Target.com. But I think the really big news for us was the success we had in store, as we experienced nearly 100% chain-wide sell-through at Bed Bath & Beyond and Sur La Table, with high profile rollouts at both stores." So that's that. So I'm not really sure what these guys sell. Products. All right, so our new products were extremely well received, particularly our launch of the world's first Wi-Fi enabled indoor garden. In addition, we introduced a series of gardens that feature colorful high-end finishes, a major contributor to our success in the warehouse channel. Oh, you know what? I remember this one now. Yeah. All right, cool. So that's basically the latest on their financials. Let's see if the latest news was That was pretty much it. I don't see anything recent. So the recent news was literally that on the February 13th, 2017, where they reported that. So obviously they had great earnings, and they're obviously improving. So if you want to continue doing your research or your due diligence on this company right here, just go to the AERO board on Investors Hangout. From there, you see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right up over there on that board.
All right, $2.65, 30-day simple moving average, 265 is a must hold. Otherwise, this will fall apart, in my opinion. Again, if that 30-day simple moving average starts falling, I think that you'll go back down to the bottom. So we're going to be watching for that buying pressure to pick back up and push you off of that. Resistance is going to be at 271, 284, and $3. Support 265, 230. Again, it's going to be a pivotal move right now for this one. Watch which way this goes. Let me know. Keep us updated. We'd appreciate that very much. And we'll see what else Joe has to add.
Yeah, no, this is that one that we went over before. Remember they gave a dividend for record shareholders on a such and such date, and it was a decent dividend because they had Scott's Miracle Grow exercise their things, and basically,
yeah,
pretty much took. Yeah, this is that one. So that is that. I just want to throw that out there because I remember this one. Other than that, Dave, but like you said, I remind you of your 91-year-old grandmother. After telling her my life story, she asked, "What is your name, honey?"
All right.
Priceless.
Yeah, $2.65. Like I said, watch for that to hold. If that gives out, you could go down to the $2.30. AERO. If you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, let us know at investorshangout.com/live.